In this guide, you'll learn how to buy a gift card online from Dutch Bros step by step. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the official website of Dutch Bros. Then look for the gift card option at the top of the page and click on it. Once you are there, you will see two main options. You can choose a digital gift card by selecting Gift Online or go for a physical one by tapping Mail a gift card. So for this guide, I'm gonna select the option of Gift Online. Now you'll need to fill these. First, you'll need to pick a design. You can go through the designs given over here and select the one that you wanna send. Then select the value amount. Then click on Continue. Now enter the recipient's information. First, type in your name. Then type in the recipient's name, likewise email address. Confirm recipient's email address. Likewise, you can type in the message. Then you can click on Continue. Now select a delivery date. You can send right away or you can select the scheduled date. Then click on Add to Cart. Now click on Proceed to Checkout. Now go ahead and provide your payment details, complete the payment. And that's it, you have successfully purchased a Dutch Bros gift card online. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.